Fish on, boys. Oh, yeah, boys. In here a little healthier. There we go. Come on, boy. There we go. Oh, that's a gear stripper, boys. Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? Center fishing, wacky bass fishing, and we got a special guest today. He's backing it down in the water right now. So we're going to be out on the lake today, and it's going to be a switch up from our ponds and stuff like that. And kayaks. We're going to see if we can't get it done on the water. And our special guest, and he wanted to come down here and fish with Sooner Fishing, which is cool with me, and it's okay Bassmaster. He's from up a little ways up north from me, so y'all stay tuned. Let's see if we can't get on a fish. All right, guys, Sooner Fishing. Okay, Bassmaster, he's trying to get his boat off the ramp, off the trailer right now.
I didn't back up.
But he's getting it, but come here, I want to show y'all one thing. If you're on the lake and you're going to keep fish and you're going to take them home and eat them, don't do that right there. That is a pile of spotted bass. Somebody cleaned, they filleted, and they threw all the carcasses in the lake. If you're in a place like this, put them out in the woods, whatever. We got raccoons, anything will eat them. But that right there, don't do it, please. Especially on my lake. Thank you. And anyway, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get on the water, and we'll catch y'all later. Center fishing, wacky bass fishing, and okay Bassmaster. We out. Boys,
that's a good one. That's a pretty decent one right there. Get him a...
oh yeah,
That's a pretty decent one.
That'll work. That old wacky fishing, man. That's working like a clock. Sweet. And once again, man, the old Z-Man, he come through for us. Yes, sir. That'll work.
You got a nice big live well.
And we got a live well. This is sweet. I ain't been on a boat in forever. Y'all know my trademark, boys. All right, let's get on another, man. We probably let them all go towards the end of the day or something like that, or might let them go now. Never can tell. We'll catch you.
Turn your camera on.
I already got him. Did you got yours on?
I don't.
I got him. Anyway, guys, wacky bass fishing. Oh, hang on, let's set this down. He got on him one.
He got on a good one too. That hook just popped out easy.
Need to
size him up, see if he's big. He'd be close. Nah, he's over 14. He's over 14.
That sun's blinding me. Here, let me. No, you're good. I just switched. There you go, dude. Nice job. Get on another. What are you using?
Watermelon seed.
Watermelon seed.
Fluke.
Fluke? Cinco?
Yum dinger.
Yum dinger? Okay. Good job. We're going to put him in live well, and at the end of the day, we might weigh him up. We got a scale. We're going to see what our 5, well, we'll just have to guess which one's whose. I think his is bigger, so that's a good deal. We'll catch y'all in a little bit. Only one that ain't on the board is okay up there.
I don't know know what I'm gonna do. I'm just up here driving the boat today.
He's chauffeuring us around. He's doing a good job. Let's get on him, boys.
Oh, he got off.
Oh man, Wacky was on. No, Oklahoma. Okay, Bassmaster was on one. I gotta get y'all's names figured out. Oh, Wacky bass fishing's got to get. Oh, he's caught on the stick. He's gonna have to take you over there, dude.
I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I was wondering why it wasn't real. And I was like, dude, my handle's gone, but I'm in around. But my spool's not.
Oh, Wacky's got 3 on us now.
Yeah, if he's still on there. I didn't feel him after that. He's still on there. Oh, he is?
I don't see him.
I don't either.
Nope. He broke loose. He had a good one too, y'all. Easy, Michael. Okay, Bassmaster's on one, guys.
This makes number 2.
Number 2.
And he jumped.
Oh, he flounced off. I got it on camera though, dude. Don't worry.
He was there.
I'll post it on my channel, man. Don't worry about that. Anyway, good job, y'all. Nice. We out here on Broken Bow Lake, y'all, enjoying the beautiful scenery. Look at this.
We getting it.
You cannot ask for a more beautiful lake, except for 10 Killer. It's pretty spectacular itself.
Yeah, 10 Killer's pretty.
Dang. Got one on, boys. Oh, calm down. Calm down.
Told you he was there. I wasn't imagining stuff.
We got on one, and
Yet again.
He
he ain't big enough. We gotta let him go. All right, man. I kind of hooky do though. Okay, Bassmaster, he threw out, and I threw right next to him, and I said, we're gonna see which one it wants first. And he took mine, but thanks a lot, okay?
Hey man, not a problem. I was just backing him up for you.
Thanks for finding him for me.
Hey, anything I can do.
All right, man. We're gonna get up. We'll be back with you. I got to do a little surgery right here. All right. What's going on, guys and gals? Sooner fishing, Wacky bass fishing. Okay, Bassmaster. It's a tongue twister for me, but anyway, man, we out on Broken Bow Lake. My Strike King hat, it's up there in a box. I didn't want to blow it off. I got another hat, a big old build hat that goes all the way around for the sun. And anyway, we've got on a few. They've got more than me. I've only caught 2, which is fine, but one of mine's in the live wells. His ain't. No. But anyway. Anyway, we're having a blast. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. We got pretty much calm waters right now. There's a little gust, but we've been having fun. And y'all stop by OK Bassmaster and Wacky Bass Fishing's channels, man, and y'all give them show them some love, man. Y'all sub their channel, and we're fixing to get after it and have some fun. Try to get on. We want to catch the mama of the babies that we got in the live well back there. But we'll holler at y'all later. You see him, Michael? Yep. I had one, guys, but he got off, man. We're going to get on him. Anyway, there's the crew for today. The Sooner crew. Even though they got their own channels, they still Sooner crew when they fish with me. There you go, guys.
What is?
Oh.
Dude, what is it?
I don't know, but that is they are engulfing these, man. They are not just...
Dude, that's gonna be hook number 3.
Anyway, show them your fish. Yeah, that's... No. Yeah, right there. We gotta let him go, y'all. Good catch anyway, dude. Fish on. Oh. There we go.
That's a good one. That one will keep.
Come here, boy. Oh. There we go.
That one will keep.
Oh!
He jumped off.
He jumped off. Quick release, guys, but you seen him. I caught him. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, I'm doing the fire engine. Say what's up, guys.
What's up?
What's up?
We still on Broken Bow Lake, and we still catching them fish. Y'all tune in. Wacky Bass Fishing Channel. Oklahoma Bassmaster. Okay, Bassmaster.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Okay, got on one, guys.
Oh, it's facing the wrong way.
Oh, it's facing the wrong way.
It's facing the wrong way.
Anyway, show me your bass.
I'll show you my bass.
There's his bass. He got him a bass in the boat.
And guess what? I caught him on a custom-made bait from Head Case Baits. Come on.
Head Case Baits. There you go. Y'all go check him out. All right, let's get on the other one, boys. Good job. We gotta get the net, boy. Oh, he's in my line. Oh, you got a good one, son. Yes, sir. Woo-wee.
He swallowed it too.
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
That's not good.
Bit me now. Bring you straight to me.
Oh, Wacky's got on one, boy. Oh, no! Dude, it was a solid...
That was a solid fiber.
That was a good one, dude.
Solid fiber.
Oh.
That was a solid fiber.
All right, guys. I don't know if y'all seen it, but we did. That was a solid fish, man. Dang it. Oh, you got a good one, dude. Right on.
It's not turning on.
Well, Bassmaster got on one, guys. Using a 2.0, right?
200 series is what they call it.
200 series.
Yes, sir. It's a Bandit 200 splatterback.
There you go. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I got it.
He did.
Fish on, boys. Come here.
All right.
Get up here. You are not jumping off.
Good job.
Ah! You jump off, you go. Come here. Quit being so feisty.
And he's not bleeding.
Yep. Come here.
I dare say he's at 14.
Nah, he's small, dude.
He's right there on the border.
Anyway, guys, there he is. Finally, the third fish of the day. Oh, the sunlight's killing me. Oh. Anyway, third fish of the day, and I'm happy. Now I can sleep at night knowing I didn't get totally destroyed by them two.
What?
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 Y'all act like y'all didn't do nothing.
We did.
You ought to be trying to fish the back of the boat. I throw, he moves. I throw, he moves. Man, y'all tell them y'all feel sorry for him. Anyway, y'all go like our videos. Y'all go subscribe to our channel. And do all that good stuff. Anyway, let's let him go. I think he's too small. He's a little dank-dank.
Yeah, he ain't gonna make it. He's close, but he won't.
Woohoo! What's going on, YouTube? Sooner Fishing here. Bringing you like a little afternoon update. I just got on one back there, but these dudes, they've been smashing them. I was lucky to catch 3 today, which was good. All of them are sunbaked, not me. I was a smart one, but I can't catch a dang fish. But it's all good.
That's what you get for wearing that.
That's what I get for wearing that. It's all bad luck, they're saying now. But anyway, we're heading on around to another little backup cove. We're just idling around through here, which is all good. But anyway, Bassmaster, he's been killing them. And Wacky Bass Fishing, he'd been killing them. Oh, he's got the biggest one out of everything. Did what?
You're being too modest. You're more.
No, they're just talking. They're just talking that. But anyway, there they are. Look at them. And we're back to me. Y'all go to their channel, like, share, and subscribe. Show them some love. But anyway, we're gonna get out here. I'm gonna try to get on a fish, and we'll holler at y'all whenever we get done. On YouTube, Sooner Fishing, OK Bass Master, Wacky Bass Fishing. We come to Broken Bow Lake. We got on them. They was up shallow, and then I guess the water level, the more we moved north up the banks, the water was up into the tree lines, you know, the underbrush, and I think the fish was feeding out of the grass, the bugs, insects, stuff like that. But without a shadow of doubt, we got on the fish. We got some good footage. Anyway, y'all stop by OK Bassmaster's channel. Sub to his channel. Dude's cool. He come down here. He brought a boat down here. Took us out. Me and old Wacky. Y'all stop by Wacky Bass Fishing's channel, and I sure appreciate it. And until next time, we got clear skies in southeast Oklahoma. The Sooner crew, we fixing to cut out of here. Y'all go get bent, tight line, and fish on. Like, share, and subscribe all 3 of our videos and our channels. And we'll catch y'all later.